Hello everyone, welcome back to 𝐕𝐢𝐝𝐶. Today we are going to explore a practical Excel feature that can enhance the readability of your printed spreadsheet. If I wanted to ensure your column headings appear at the top of every printed page, stick around as I show you how it's done. Open your Excel spreadsheet and navigate to the Page Layout tab on the ribbon. In the Page Setup group, click on the Print Titles option. A Page Setup window will appear. Here, select the Sheet tab. Under the Sheet tab, in the rows to repeat at the top, this one, click the Spreadsheet icon. Click here. Now, navigate to your spreadsheet and select the row containing your column headings. Then press Enter. You'll be back in the Page Setup window and you will note the reference to the row you selected, this one here. Click OK to confirm. Now select File, then Print. Show Print Preview, this one here, to see what the printed spreadsheet will look like. Now you can see headers will be repeated on each page. Now we have 6 pages here, but every page has got headers. Here are the tips. This feature is especially useful for large datasets that span multiple pages. Always preview your print settings to ensure everything looks as expected before printing. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to make your Excel printouts more organized and user-friendly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Excel tips, and leave any question or suggestion in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy printing!